Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Monday, June 17th, and I want to look at Quihoo today. This Chinese internet company has been kind of a crowd favorite at Stock Market Mentor and Option Market Mentor for a while now, on and off, but the trend has been pretty clear here, and this is really what we want to look at. What's really relevant right now is this uptrend and then a sideways consolidation, and now a resumption of the uptrend. It's pretty clear cut. The thing about this is it's a volatility squeeze, and frankly, we could have seen this squeeze take place, for another week or two or three, not that much longer, before it would finally break out. What we just didn't know is exactly how far the stock would run sideways before the uptrend resumed. But the way you can make this trade on a low risk basis is you see the stock back here. The high was 45.49. Fine. It's not in a squeeze then. Here, the high is what? 45.85. So we've got these two twin highs here. That were occurring. The stock really wasn't squeezing. Look at the Bollinger Bands, not really squeezing. Then they start to get a little tight and then finally breaks out. So we don't really have a clear signal of exactly when the stock is going to break out, but what we did have is some fairly flat highs here, rising lows, and so if you just keep track of what the stock does when it tests the prior high, use your price alert feature, and every single trading software platform has them. Use them, set a price alert. This is going to work for you in the stock. A similar trade would have been on SanDisk today. Okay, this also works. Still, either of these stocks, I think you're going to make money if you're buying them right now. Here on Quihoo, I would set two price alerts, one on 45 if the stock pulls back to 45. If I get any kind of firmness there, I don't think it's going to pull back to 45, by the way, but if it does, if I get any kind of firmness there, then I'm going to want to add to my position. If it gets up to 50 bucks and keeps on going, I'm probably going to want to add to my position then too, because you look at this chart, this is a really nice rounded bowl here. It's actually kind of a jaggedy rounded bowl, but a bowl it is nonetheless. Higher lows, higher highs. If you buy the stock and zoom out, watch this time frame, my bet is you're going to have a really nice trade on your hands, and there's not a darn thing you can do about it except count the money. So anyway, hope that helps. Bottom line is this: when you see these volatility squeezes, note what trend they are in. Are they in a prevailing uptrend or a prevailing downtrend? Here, it's in an uptrend, so this squeeze leads to an expansion, which starts the next leg higher. Pretty much a safe bet that this stock is going to go above 50. What it does after that, well, let's get it through 50 first. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. I got a lot of things to say about what's happening with the Fed now, as far as factoring in what the market's doing in order to factor in the tapering and all that kind of jazz. So I want you to head over there. Hope that you find that informative.